Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican soup chicken, updated. Now chop the vegetables and season the chicken while you preheat a large pot to medium heat. I'll guide you through washing roots, layering aromatics, and timing simmer stages so meat stays tender. You'll learn when to add Scotch bonnet for heat and how to finish with fresh herbs for bright balance. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican soup chicken, updated. Measure and prep all ingredients before you start so the cook flow stays smooth. I'll explain smart swaps, like using chicken thighs instead of a whole bird, and how to balance root vegetables with softer pumpkin pieces. Keep spices modest at first and taste the broth as you simmer to adjust heat and salt gradually. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican soup chicken, updated. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for saving recipes, reading cookbooks, or following techniques while you cook, and it feels great to hold during a long simmer. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican soup chicken, updated. Start by browning chicken, add water and aromatics, then simmer on low to extract flavor without clouding broth. I'll tell you when to skim fat and when to add starchy vegetables so the soup clears and tastes rich. Finish with a squeeze of lime or a handful of herbs for freshness before serving family style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.